Hi, I'm Candy Cane Cancel on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to insert a zipper into your makeup bag. And I personally love to put in zippers. I have a really foolproof, easy way to do it, and it just makes it fun. I know a lot of people are put off by attaching zippers because they think it's really difficult, but it really isn't. The first thing you want to do is line up your right sides together. Once you have that, you want to go ahead and pin along the top. And take your zipper and you just want to measure where the zipper begins and where it ends. And what I like to do is just add an extra pin just to remind myself where the zipper is going to end and where it starts. Now the first thing we're going to do with stitching is we're just going to do a simple base stitch, and that's going to hold the two pieces of fabric together so we can put in the zipper a lot easier. And what I do is just put a 4.5 inch stitch length, change it to straight stitch, and just simply go from one side to the other. And because it's a basting stitch, you don't have to back tack, which means going back and forth to secure your stitching. And I just basted about a half of an inch in. So once that's done, take out your pins, open up your piece, and just stick your zipper in from the back side. And when you put in the zipper, you're going to make sure that the little zipper pull is actually facing upward. So just put it up, put in a couple pins to secure, and then turn it over to the right side. And what you want to do is make sure that the teeth of the zipper is perfectly up against the seam. So from the right side, you're actually going to pin the zipper to your piece. Take out the pins from the back and just secure them onto the front. And you're just going to go all the way down and pin it, turning on the back side every inch or so, just to make sure that your teeth are lined up. And just keep going all the way to the bottom. Now this zipper is a little bit longer than our makeup bag, but that's not to worry. What we're just going to do is once we stitch the zipper in, we're going to go in and make an extra little stitch just to secure it so that the zipper pull won't go any further than that. Okay.